What's going on, guys, and welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to finally install my T56. For those of you who don't know, I've been running a Z32 transmission with an LOJ adapter. We made a little over 800 and it's been holding up great, but the gearing just kind of sucks and I want peace of mind. So we got a T56 Magnum F from Lethal Performance. They gave me a really good deal about a couple months ago. I just haven't had time because the expo was last weekend. If you didn't watch that video, click on it because it was a really good turnout. Aussie did a great job, and we were there with all of our friends. We also bought a S1 sequential shifter that turns the H pattern shifting into sequential. We're gonna try it out. I've always wanted one. So I already took some parts out because I'm impatient, but got the starter off, the slave. I'm about to take the exhaust off just to make my life easier. Transmission's been leaking out of the seal. I had to split it so I can use the top load shifter. It's been leaking out of here, so the whole back of the car, don't mind my pinch wells, the whole back of the car is covered in grease, so we're gonna brake clean and wash the back before we put the new trans in. Curious to see what the clutch looks like. So I got the trans out. It was really hard to film because I'm by myself, and they're actually not that bad of a difference in the body, so I may not have to do much of a finagling on the trans tunnel. The clutch, it's actually not even that bad. It's actually not, it's not terrible. It's a lot, you know, better than I thought it would be. For anybody wondering, the bread trick works. Alright, clutch is in. 1,000 foot-pounds rated from Summit Racing. I'm just waiting for Eric because we have to put a shield on my line, my fuel line here, my fuel feed. I want to shield it and I don't have any, and he does, so I gotta wait for him, and he's gonna help me put the trans on, and hopefully we can get the bell housing in because it is tight. We got a visitor today. What up? I don't know where we left. Car. Yeah, this won't zoom in that far.
Oh yeah, they don't see it.
He brought the E46. So, I don't know where I left off last time, but I installed the shifter. I just took it off to put it in the car. We sorted out the lines, finally, because Willwood has some weird fittings. And then, I bought this. I thought I was gonna keep, but it's rusted to shit under it, so I'm taking all the battery panels, but...
Sad face.
Sad face, because it's really nice. I took the front
like
clip
right
off.
Here.
I know, it's
awesome.
A nice 10-footer.
Yeah.
Took the front clip off. I'm selling a bunch of parts, but it's got a full black interior, which I can keep and make it fit on my car. The dash is like brand new. It's nice, so I'm definitely putting that in my car. But we're putting the trans in today, and well, we're gonna try. We're gonna try. I mean, it fits, right? Oh yeah. Yeah, yeah.
All right. I just want to make it very, very clear because he gave me a hard time about the explosion that happens when I work on my car. So just so we understand. About that.
I'm rushing, okay? We gotta get done in 2 days.
You don't sound rushed.
Alright, so yesterday we got to working. It was hard to film because we were just focused. Shout out to Eric for coming to help me put the trans on. We realized also that my motor is rotated to the passenger side a little bit. So, and I'm gonna make new mounts and rebuild my frame rails also this winter. Car's gonna go under a whole rebuild kit, but shout out to Shaft Masters. I ordered this yesterday at 10 o'clock in the morning and it came in today, next day, to noon. Well boys, drive shaft don't fit. So I gotta find somebody to shorten this before Sunday, and today's Wednesday. So it's been nothing but setbacks since I tried to put this freaking transmission on, right? First of all, I ordered a drive shaft from Shaft Masters. As you can see, it was too long. So I don't know if I messed up or they messed up, but I gave them the measurements just like they asked me, and it was too long. So I ended up going to Associated Truck Parts yesterday, and they got it resized for me like ASAP, so I can make it to the show on Sunday. So shout out to them guys, fits perfect. This is the lip that I ordered from the Z store. Well, this is a different lip because the first one, they don't make it anymore, and I've been waiting for 4 months and they never told me. So I ended up calling them, and they had this one in stock, but I can't put it on until I put my 87, 88 fenders, because these are 85s. They're narrower. That's why I got this car for parts. I'm gonna be stripping this car literally to like a bare frame and keeping a lot of stuff for my car. So now all I have to do is bolt the drive shaft up, put some more fluid in the trans, and hope for the best. Alright, so she drives. She feels a little weird because now obviously we got the bigger mass, twin disc and everything. It feels like smoother and more planted because it's accelerating slower. I was just talking to Eric and he explained it to me better, but she feels pretty good. I'm really excited to drive it on Sunday. I don't have any vibrations or anything weird. Obviously it's a T56, so it's notchy and everything has to break in. The shifter feels pretty good. May need some adjustment, but it's good for now just to putt around until I get the clutch broken in. But yeah, so tomorrow I just drove it and I didn't get to film because I was too excited, but tomorrow I'm gonna take it for a drive and film. I'm just gonna putt around town and show you guys. So you guys can see, just went for a ride. It feels so good. It feels like it's so much more planted and smoother of a drive. It's like a pleasure to drive. Before with the Z32 Trans, it was a really touchy. It was like either you go or you don't. So it had a 6-puck on, you know, making 750 plus, 800 plus. So Hopefully T56 will hold up. I mean, it's been holding up for everybody else, so I don't see why not, but let's see if I can get the key. I love the key. This thing is my favorite right here. Second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, and that's neutral. So, and if you go to neutral, this is your reverse lockout, and now I still have to program reverse. Reverse is going to show as an A instead of an R, but right now it just shows a first, so I can go back to neutral and they put the lever up, and now we're on first. Tomorrow we're going to a show with the guys. We're going to meet up with Eric, I think Will's coming, Travis. You guys seen him in the previous videos. Yeah, car runs great. We'll see. I got to break the clutch and I got to put like 700 miles. More like 300, and then we're going to fucking send it. But yeah, I'm excited. The shifter, I gotta get used to it, you know. It's nice that you can go from any gear to neutral if you like do a half shift. You just gotta get used to it. But she runs great. So stay tuned for more content. Like, comment, subscribe. And Eric, my garage is clean, bud. I don't know what you're talking about.